Hello everyone, my name is Akshita Agrawal and I'm a clinical dietitian. Today I'm going to do a video on a very requested topic, which is memory enhancing foods. So in this video we'll be discussing two major things. Firstly, we'll discuss all the nutrients that you require to enhance your memory or your brain function, and then we will discuss the foods that you must avoid or exclude from your diet in order to avoid any kind of brain fog or any kind of memory lapses. So let's start with the foods that will encourage your memory, that will improve your memory. So first and foremost food which is most important for your brain is omega-3. Now I have talked about omega-3 in several of my videos, and the very important role of omega-3 is in enhancing of your brain. Now how does it work? Many of you must not be knowing, but more than 50% of your brain is actually made up of fat, and more than 50% of this fat is actually omega-3. So when you take omega-3 in your diet, it will help in generation of new cells, and it will help in enhancing the function of your brain and therefore enhancing your memory. So what are the common sources of omega-3 that you can include in your diet? For all the vegetarians, the dry fruits like almonds, walnuts, peanuts, they are very good sources of omega-3. Seeds like chia seeds, your flax seeds and sunflower seeds also, they are very good sources of omega-3. Coming on to your oils, soybean oil is also very good source of omega-3. And for the non-vegetarians, fish is exceptional source of omega-3 that you can include. For vegetarians who want to take fish oil as capsules in their diet, they can go ahead and do so. So these are few foods that you can incorporate for omega-3. Let's move on to the next nutrient. Next important nutrient for enhancing your memory is vitamin K. Now I have done so many videos by far, but vitamin K is one nutrient which we haven't discussed in any of the videos. So the primary role of vitamin K is in clotting. Whenever we get hurt and there is a bruise or there is any cut, vitamin K starts making a clot in that area and starts healing in that area. That is the primary function of vitamin K. But another important function of vitamin K is in enhancing of memory. So what are the sources from which you can get vitamin K? Vitamin K is present in all green leafy vegetables like palak, which is your spinach, kale, etc. And it is also present in all the cauliflower family. So it is present in cauliflower, it is present in cabbage, it is present in broccoli. Also soya bean is a good source of vitamin K. Simple beans also, whichever green beans etc. you want to take, they are also very good source of vitamin K. So if you want to enhance your memory along with omega-3, vitamin K is another important nutrient that you need to look into. Next important nutrient for your brain is zinc. Now zinc has numerous functions, and the most important function is in the development of brain and development in brain function. So important sources of zinc will include all the green leafy vegetables. It is also present in all the nuts that I mentioned for omega-3. It is present in all the seeds that I mentioned for omega-3, and eggs are also a very good source of zinc. You can also take dark chocolate. It has moderate amount of zinc, and it will give you sufficient zinc to improve your memory. Moving on to the next nutrient. Next nutrient which is important for your brain function is magnesium. Now magnesium is usually associated with good bone health and good muscle and a muscle activity. But another important function of magnesium lies with the enhancement of your memory. So what are the sources of magnesium? The green leafy vegetables that I mentioned, again very good source of magnesium. The nuts, the seeds, all of them are very good source of magnesium. Dark chocolate, good source of magnesium. Along with all these, whole grains are also very good source of magnesium. So grains like whole wheat flour, then your bajra, ragi, oats, buckwheat, they provide good amount of magnesium which will help you enhancing your memory. Now another important nutrient that you need to keep in your diet is copper. Now copper is not much talked about, but it is exceptionally important when it comes to forming of new memories and enhancing your brain power. So what are the sources of copper? All the green leafy vegetables that we have been discussing are very important source of copper. Then your potato is a very good source of copper. Then eggs are also good source of copper, and You can take spinach is exceptionally good when it comes to copper intake. So these are few foods. Nuts, of course, how can I forget nuts? All the nuts that I mentioned, for example, almonds, walnuts, cashews, they are very, very good source of copper. So you can include them in your diet and they will help you in enhancing your brain function. Now there are two more foods that I would like to add to this list. First is turmeric. Now turmeric has curcumin. Curcumin is a very, very strong antioxidant, and people who were put on half teaspoon of turmeric every day have shown great impact on their brain function, their concentration power and their memory. So therefore incorporating turmeric in your diet, especially uncooked turmeric, is going to help you a lot with your memory enhancement. Second important food is coffee. So basically caffeine has shown to encourage your neurotransmitters, and these neurotransmitters are associated with improved function of your brain. For example, improving concentration, improving retention power, improving memory. So sources of caffeine will include dark chocolate, then your coffee and your green tea. All of these can be included in your diet in requested amounts. For example, coffee should not exceed 1 cup a day. If you're taking green tea, it should not exceed 2 cups a day, and if you're taking dark chocolate, it should not exceed 3 to 4 cubes per day. So if you take these in these amounts, they will help you with activating your neurotransmitters and therefore helping you in concentration and memory. So these are all the foods that you need for having a good memory. Now let me also quickly list the foods that you must avoid if you want good memory and you want to avoid brain fog. First food that you need to avoid if you want good memory is excess sugar. Excess sugar has been associated with poor brain function, poor concentration levels and poor memory. Secondly, you need to avoid any food that is very rich in saturated fat or very rich in which is deep fried and has a lot of trans fatty acids. So all the foods which are deep fried, all the foods which are highly processed must be avoided. Third food which you need to avoid is excess of alcohol. People who take a lot of alcohol have often been associated with damaged brain function or reduced brain function. So if you want a good memory, you need to reduce your alcohol intake. Next food that is important if you want to have a good memory is bran. Now many people are putting bran in their flour for making chapatis, for making different preparations, because bran has been in trend for losing weight and for managing your sugar levels. But I would like to tell you here that bran has a tendency of absorbing nutrients on its surface, and when you pass it in motion, all these nutrients are also drained from your body. So worst affected nutrients are calcium, iron and zinc. And like I mentioned, zinc is exceptionally important for your brain function. So people who have been consuming bran for long time have also seen to have reduced memory and concentration power and low brain function. So please avoid bran if you're taking, and even if you want to take in reduced amounts. Do not consume it in high quantities. Next important food that you need to look out for is aspartame. Now what is aspartame? It is an artificial sweetener. So most prone people who use them are diabetic people and people who are trying to lose weight. So if you are also using some kind of replacement of sugar, if you are also using some kind of artificial sweetener, do read the label and make sure it does not consume aspartame. All the sugar-free foods that you consume, all the sugar-free beverages you consume, you need to beware of aspartame. It has been associated with low brain function and low memory. So read the label carefully, and even if you want to consume these foods, try to limit their quantity in your diet. Next important food that you need to avoid is maida or refined wheat flour. All the foods that are made out of refined wheat flour have seen to cause some kind of inflammation in the body, and they have a negative effect when it comes to concentration, alertness of your brain and your memory. So I hope through this video I have been able to list all the important foods that you need to eat and all the important foods that you need to avoid if you want to have a good memory. So don't forget to share it with your friends, family and colleagues. Do subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.